Hi everybody, Carlos Machado here, and here basically we're gonna do the knee on the belly, but this time is not from the top mount that we start. We start already from the side control. So there's a little cool thing we're gonna do, one without the challenge, and then we're gonna add the challenge afterwards, and I'm gonna show you how to break through the challenge. All right, so let's start here real quick. My partner is on the side control. A good side control, you have to have head control and arm control. This is called the bear hug or cross face. Now, what my partner is going to do, he's going to grab one hand on the knot of the belt and another hand with the thumb in behind the collar on my neck. Okay? From here now, he walks his knees close to me. He lifts his chest up, and then he adds the knee on the belly and pulls his other leg. And stay strong, good control, leg fire, yeah, good stabilization. Start over again. So let's start from the beginning. Bear hug, hand on the belt, hand on the collar, walk your knees close to me, and then knee on the belly, and push your leg. Good. Very nice. One more time. Let's start from the beginning. Bear hug, hold the belt, hold the collar, walk your knees towards me, chest up, knee on the belly, push your leg. Good. Now we're going to see the challenge. Okay? I keep my elbow tied up. And that's what comes next.